Today I'm a different area of Paris, which is a very good area. Metro Vano, near the famous Bon Marché, which is a famous store, big store, made in 1800. So let's see what we can do. I have to say weather sucks, and well, another challenge. 3,200 ISO. Update, it is raining. So there's a lot of people, which is interesting, but kind of I don't like it. So we'll see. What is it that makes you want to photograph one person more than the other? Is it how freaky they look? How pretty? How poetic? How bizarre? Or how unique or duplicate? I don't know. I'm asking myself, it's just about the feeling. Or something I want to tell, a story. Whatever the story.
That's so nice.
I really feel like we cannot take out the camera. Yeah, I'm at the Louvre. It's not raining this time. So let's hope some pictures better than what I did before are going to pop out. I want to go to that ferry place. Date, raining again like crazy. With sunglasses it really sucks. So let's go see the Christmas market of the pyramid of the Louvre. on Rue Saint-Honoré. It's very busy usually. I'll take this chance to speak quickly and say that I'm gonna try to find my best something to shoot. But you know what? I mean, it doesn't matter the weather. I personally, I don't feel like it has anything to do because I mean, I shoot whatever. I think street photography has reached another level where you have to be more and more strict and delete the most photos you can. If you have couples, like double photos, I mean, I tend to do too much whenever I see duplicates or twins or those famous lines. Whenever you see like a crossroad and white lines, oh, let's take a picture. Or the dogs. A lot of photo dumps I make. What the heck? Amazing how many people are doing this thing. Well, I gotta say, those models made my day because so far no pretty picture, at least some pretty girls. Pretty, but it's not a pretty street photo. Pretty desert on a Monday. Almost peaceful. Sadly, I'm going to end this day. It's still sunny, but I have to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not asking about the photos. Until next time.